So this is how you can see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Snapchat. Today, you will learn how to know who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. So let's get started by opening Snapchat. Once you're here, just simply tap on the Chats button at the bottom of the screen. And now, you will be put to your Chats tab. Let's go to your profile at the top left corner of the screen. This is where you will see all your stories, your friends. So just simply scroll down to stories and then find the story that you want to check if anyone has screenshotted. So just simply tap on it and then here you go. You will be put to the story that you posted. As you can see, there are symbols on the bottom. There are views, screenshots, comments, there's an arrow, and there's a trash button and a share button. So you're going to want to tap on the arrow. Here, you will see your friends who viewed your story. It says your insights will appear once Snapchatters view the snap. So, as you can see, there's an eye, there's an arrow, and there's a chat bubble. You're going to want to check the arrow icon because that is what indicates screenshots. So if anyone has screenshotted your story, you're going to see that arrow button go up. So that is it for this video. That is how you can check if anyone has screenshotted and just simply scroll up to see if who screenshotted. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.